Welcome to the lecture on organization behavior. My name is Dr. Devli PM, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Here we are going to discuss unit number 1, organization behavior. This unit concerned with MCOM part 2nd, semester 2nd, compulsory paper 2nd, organization behavior. Flow of discussion. In this discussion, we may enlighten on learning objective of organization behavior, introduction of organization behavior, meaning of organization behavior, importance of organization behavior, models of organization behavior, and finally we want to conclude this discussion. After learn this concept, we may understand individual and group behavior of people. It helps to understand role of management and their philosophy for the achieving organizational goal or objective. This concept helps to understand, refers different models of organization behavior. This concept helps to predict and influence of people on organization behavior. This concept helps to apply other functional areas like marketing, finance, production, and human resource management. This concept helpful to understand group and their dynamics. We may understand leadership style and decision-making skill of people. You may know each and every organization may consist of people, and people come together from different community, different social strata, different groups. Hence, organization behavior concept helpful to understand individual and group and their attitude, perception, and working style for the achieving organizational goal and objective. What is organization? You may know organization is a collection of people who work together to achieve individual and organizational goals. For the detailed understanding of the concept, we may refer some definition. That is, organization behavior is a study and application of knowledge about human behavior as individual and in group in organization, which helps to identify way in which people can act more effectively. Organization behavior helps to understand and prediction and management of human behavior in organization. It means organization behavior helps to understand human behavior, attitude of people, and their performance for the achieving organizational goal and objective. In organization behavior, we may understand psychology of people, sociological background of people, economic influence on performance of employee, political science, medical science, social psychology, and anthropology, which affected on people perception, attitude, learning ability, management style, which may lead and contributed in achieving organizational goal and objective. What is the importance of organization behavior? Organization behavior provide roadmap to grow organization. This is scientific research to understand organizational life and predict the behavior of people which contributed in organizational goal. It helps to influence of organizational event. This helps to understand fashion of people, working style of people, and how we can motivate to the employee for the achieving organizational goal. It's helpful for the decision making, considering functional area of production, finance, human resource, and marketing. Then we want to enlighten on scope of organization behavior. In organization behavior, we want to understand individual behavior, group behavior, and organizational behavior. In individual behavior, we may understand what is individual perception, attitude, learning ability, management style, and people value, job satisfaction, etc. In group behavior, same thing includes group's dynamic, group conflict, communication, leadership power, political views, etc. And all these things affect on organizational structure, and because organization consists of people and their views, organization, behavior, attitudes, etc. Element of organization, we may classify formal organization, informal organization, organizational culture, social environment, quality work life, motivation is there. And there are different model, autocratic model, custodial model, supportive model, collegial model, etc. And this model reveals the or indicates the style of management or management style which contributed or which helps to achieving organizational goal and objective. Finally, we want to conclude this discussion. In this discussion, we may refer basic concept of organization behavior, understand meaning of organization behavior, importance of organization behavior, models and refer model of organization behavior. This helps to understand scope of organization behavior. And for the detailed understanding, you may refer management books, and if you have any doubts, please contact me. My name is Dr. Devipian, Assistant Professor, Center for Distance Education, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. My mobile number is there, 9049081926. Email ID paresh84jan@redipmail.com. Thank you.